Life is what you make of it, there's magic to be found. I have seen the moon and stars 45 feet underground, and I have seen the lightning from 1,000,000 years ago, dancing in a scene of opal. Call me Johnny Jones, boys, call me Johnny Jones. I have moved 10,000 tons for a single bucket of rough, and I have fought 100 men who thought they had the stuff. They all tried to knock me down with uppercuts and hooks. On one thing they can all agree, it's harder than it looks. Boys, call me Johnny Jones. When I'd had enough of shamans, boxes, and the smell of sheep, I unloaded freighters that sailed in from the deep. Now a rich man doesn't get that way because he likes to share. So we organize the wharfies to make them pay us fair. Boys, call me Johnny Jones. I was off to Quilty and on to Lightning Ridge, digging for the opal, and sure I'd soon be rich. But there's more to buried treasure than digging a few holes. You gotta work your ass off and feel it in your soul. Now some would call me Mr. Jones, and some the Opal King, and some call me the bastard that knocked them from the ring, and some call me a gambler that won it all by chance. I'm just a Parramatta boy who's not afraid to use his hands. Boys, call me Johnny Jones, call me Johnny Jones. Boys, call me Johnny Jones.
Twisters on the farms of Lightning Ridge, and the towns with modest people see the dry creeks from the bridge. On a night where there's no troubles, just a party to let free. Get your dancing boots and hunky utes and sink a CUB. We want you to have a night out with your friends. Now times are tough, we hope you know that city folks do care. We want to help your situation out in open air. It's the battling heroes that you are, true Aussies in despair.
Beating down in this time of drought, should get out and smile instead of frown. Stand around or dance about your family or needs. Sing the songs you know like Billy O and wipe aside your tears.
We want you to have a night out with your friends. Now times are tough, we hope you know that city folk do care. We want to help your situation out in open air. It's a battling heroes that you are, true Aussies in despair. We want you to have a night out with your friends. Now times are tough, we hope you know that city folks do care. We want to help your situation out in open air. It's a battling heroes that you are, true Aussies in despair.